Yesterday was the birthday of Bernie Sanders. You know, little bird landed on the podium when Bernie Sanders was giving a speech. Well, that happened just a year ago. And still somehow Hillary was the nominee. I mean, come on, if that wasn't an act of passion, something spiritual, something bigger than ourselves, what was? Like if right now I'm doing this video and a bird flies into my home studio and lands on my microphone, you better respect it. You better respect it. Sanders says he will introduce Medicare for all bill. Bam in your face, America. Talking about you don't want Trump care. Talking about Obamacare ain't working for you. How about Sanders care? That's right. Senator Bernie Sanders from Vermont is planning to introduce a single-payer health care bill in Congress. The Vermont senator said during a town hall Saturday he plans to introduce a Medicare for all bill. That's you too. You, all them. You. It's everybody. Everybody's covered. You're covered, everybody's covered. He said he's going to do so. He's going to introduce the bill in a couple of weeks. It is a common sense proposal, and I think once the American people understand it, we can go forward with it, Sanders said after the town hall meeting. During the town hall, Representative Peter Welch said he would introduce the same bill in the House. Whose house? Well, you know, it's a goal. In this Congress, we won't pass it, Welch said after the town hall. But I think we have to keep the goal out there. I think we have to keep the goal out there because we need in this country, like any industrialized country, a healthcare system that's affordable, accessible, and universal. So basically, he doesn't think it's a snowball's chance in hell that this Congress will pass it, but we got to throw it against the wall because maybe it'll catch on with their constituents. And if the people want it, the people say, give it to me or we voting you out, well, some of them will probably cave in because, you know, they like their cushy jobs more than they like their endorsement or their donor money from big pharmaceuticals. Welch said he will reach out to his Republican colleagues with specific proposals about some of the things we can do to fix some of the issues in the Affordable Care Act currently in place, which Paul Ryan said is the medicine, the law of the land. Law of the land. Okay, the move marked the first legislative defeat for Trump. Now they start talking about Trump's defeat. We already know about their loss. They couldn't pass that bill. And I'm glad they didn't pass it because it wasn't good enough to fix our problems. And we need to go to universal health care. I tell you, I never understand why poor folks, middle-class folks, poor folks, lower-class folks, people without money, when I say people without money, I'm talking about if you don't have millions of dollars in the bank, liquid, you're no one, just like me. All right? And I never understand why those people repeat the talking points from the elite, these rich people. Yeah, they tell you we can't afford health care for everybody. And you repeat that like that's like, okay, that makes sense. It doesn't make sense. This is the richest country in the world, and we can't have health care. Do you understand? If we can't have it, no one else in the globe should be able to have it because our country makes the most money. I'm Tim Black for TBTV. Comment below. What do you think about the Sanders' new bill for universal health care? Will you support it? Will you get vocal? What's your thoughts about it? Share this video with somebody you know. Let them know about this channel. Until we talk again, I need you to hashtag stay strong, stand tall, and I will see you on the next one.